Another big question in Samoan pronunciation is T versus K style. The T is formal and K is informal. For my whole life, that's the way that I knew it. My first video, that's how I explained it. And people were in the comments like, that's wrong, that's right. And they were arguing back and forth. So I never talked about it again after that. But I'm going to speak my truth. Some Samoans act like it's only one way all across the diaspora. Samoans are all across the world. So for me, T style has always been formal. K style has always been informal. And someone did point out that if an elder was using a stern tone, even in a formal ceremony, they might switch gears to K style just to let you know that they're not playing, they're serious right now. But for everybody else, the general rule, T words can be pronounced with K. Tama, kama, ta'avale, ka'avale, chupe, kupe, tina, kinga. Now, sometimes I'm making videos and by the end of the video, I'm more comfortable and then I accidentally slip and say my T words in K style. Now, words that begin with K are only pronounced with K. Kalapu or club is not talapu. Kokolaisa is not totolaisa. No one's going to eat a totolaisa. One thing everybody seems to agree on is if you're speaking in T style, don't be switching gears back and forth between K and T in the same conversation, especially not in the same sentence. Me personally, I don't think of T style and K style as just a difference in pronunciation. It's like switching gears from using my work voice, and then once I'm comfortable with you, now I'm speaking in AAVE or using slang and stuff. How would I sound if I'm going back and forth from my work voice to my cool voice in the same sentence? You'd probably think I'm crazy. The principle is the same with words with the letter N and G. N is pronounced just like we do in English, N. G's are like ng, like the word sing, ng. N's are like the T. They can be pronounced with either N or G. For example, the word menino means clear. Mafanafana means warm. We said these in N style. Because N's can be said like G's, you'll also hear people say mangingo or mafangafanga once they switch gears on you. But it don't work the other way around. Words with G are only pronounced with G. Ngalo is to forget. It's not nalo. Ngalwenga is job. It's not naluwena. It's ngalwenga. That's the Samoan consonants to fa soy fua or ko fa soy fua.